1995 Chevy k3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. I've had this truck since about 2018, I believe. Getting close to working on 10 years. But I had a head gasket go out last winter. Passenger side, there was a pit mark there. I ended up using JB weld on it, so I'm kind of leery of everything, but it's been holding together. Bought brand new batteries 5 years ago and had an alternator go bad this year. Had a spare alternator, and I did finally get a block heater put in. I had an oil pan heater put in, but then the water pump started leaking. And I did find one on eBay, DNJ, and it was 92 bucks. But now I've been looking on, let the block heater on for an hour, an oil pan heater. Only about 32 degrees here. Have basically no smoke on startup, so that's looking good. But block heaters do make a lot of difference.